Hello everyone, welcome to 3DDesignAcademy.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to use the controls of visibility tools. So let's say you have a full model and it's made out of one single set of cages. In order to model from the side like this, you would have to go through multiple CVs because obviously there is one on the other side as well in the exact same position. Now things get even more confusing if you try to model either the front or the rear from a orthographic view because it's really hard to determine, especially if there are a lot of CVs. So this is where these three tools come in. So there's a visible, invisible, and toggle visibility. Now if you prefer to use the palette, it is also present, but you do have to click and hold in order to access all of it. Alright, so this is how to use it. So let's say I want to get rid of all the CVs on the other side. All you have to do is pick vertex like this and click on invisible, and now they are gone. So if you want to modify something from the side, no longer do you have to select from multiple options. Now the same thing happens with either the front or the rear. So let's say you want to modify the front. All you have to do is pick all the CVs like this. And all you have to do is click on invisible, and that's all there is to it. Now if you want to go a little bit further and hide the cage on the rear, all you have to do is you have to select surface, pick surface, because these are technically surfaces, and maybe create a new layer like this, and you can assign objects, and you can just click on this box over here to hide them. So now even though the cage is still there, they are invisible, which means it is a little bit more clear when you're modeling the front or the rear. Now, of course, if you want to get them back, all you have to do is you can either pick visible like this, in which all the cage shows up, or you can also toggle. So let's say you want to invert the selection. So all I'm going to do is just click on the CVs over here like this. And I'm just going to make it invisible. And let's say, for example, you want to work on the other side. All you have to do is click on toggle visibility, and it's going to invert the selection. So this might be helpful in certain situations as well. In order to make them all visible, you have to just click visible like this. And if you want to get the surfaces back, all you have to do is just turn on the layer, and that's how to do it. All right, so that is how to use the toggle visibility tools. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Want to learn Autodesk Alias and digital sculpting? Then become a member at 3DDesignAcademy.com, where you'll find hundreds of video tutorials ranging from basics, including curve creations, intermediate level tutorials such as this wheel, all the way to Class A modeling of the entire car exterior. Interested? Visit 3DDesignAcademy.com.